Welcome to DeFi Crypto Today. Our topic today is an update on the Jade protocol. What the heck happened? I'm going to tell you very frankly, I'm disappointed. I don't like their new, what they're doing right now. Okay, and I'm going to explain it to you very clearly. First of all, you got to understand that Jade protocol is not a DAO. A DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization. And major decisions like cutting the APY to 0% should be decided not by Einstein, whatever his real stupid name is, but it should be decided by a vote of the token holders. And I haven't voted. And I've been a token holder since almost the very beginning. So I'm pissed because right now the tokens are a lot lower than the price I paid, like sitting there, stake, earning nothing. This is not how much I'm earning. This is how many, the percentage of Jade's token staked. It's got nothing to do with any earnings. Okay. I don't know if some people believe they're getting 75% APY here, but that's not what you're doing. You're getting zero, absolutely nothing. And whatever that fair market value crap is, okay, there's no such thing. Fair market value is this. That's the market value. That's how much people are willing to pay for this crap. I know I'm going to get a lot of flag. A lot of people are going to hate me for saying this, okay, but I'm not happy with the way the team has been managing the situation so far. Maybe that's going to change in the future. But right now, my tokens here are earning shit. Okay? And I'm supposed to wait until this goes up 1000x. By some miracle, they're going to find like the next 1000x project tomorrow. What? No, it doesn't work like that, people. It doesn't work like that. Okay? First of all, they tricked you. They tricked all of us that have the tokens. Okay? Now, they split the treasury in two parts. Before, there was one big fat treasury of $70 million backing up my tokens. Now there's a backup treasury, a backing treasury of 21 million only. And I'm losing this here because they're going to make investments in whatever project they're going to find. And we pray to God that those projects are going to be successful, okay? And that they're going to go 1000x, and that's going to push the price of the token up by magic. Okay. Maybe they're going to find projects that are going to go 1000x or 100x or even 10x. I'd be happy. Okay? Maybe. But you have to understand, okay, that entrepreneurship, okay, is super duper risky. Look how many own forks just shut down in the last week. Why did they shut down? Not because the owners were pulled you. It's because there are some smart asses, okay, that program some bots that bought the token minutes before the rebase time, and then collected the rebase and sold the token minutes after obtaining the rebases. Okay, and they programmed that for Jade and for a big bunch of ohm forks. Okay, and what happened? All those ohm forks for a while had these super crazy high quadrillion percent APYs. Okay, to try to attract new investors. But they attracted bots, and those bots have been snuffing, okay, all the juice out of the protocols, which has made the token crash. And people complain to Einstein at Jade, help us, the token crashed and everything. Yeah, sure. Okay, Now, what it should have done is like change the code, okay, so that it's not easy to unstake, that the bot cannot do it. So you put a vesting period after you unstake, like a video that I made recently at Meta Reserve DAO. Those guys are smart. There's a three-day vesting period after you're on stake, and during those 3 days you earn nothing. So think about it twice before you want to unstake. If you want to earn your APY, you stay. And the bots don't like that. So I'm pretty sure the bots are not going to attack the Meta Reserve. No, they didn't do that at Jade because it's new, right? And they didn't anticipate that it would be attacked by a bunch of bots that sucked all the APY out of them. Okay, and of course, there's been so much FUD around Jade because of a smart coin that didn't turn out to be that smart. That project's being abandoned. And Jade now basically just abandoned the own fork model, which was very successful for Olympus DAO and for Wonderland. How do you think they managed to accumulate $800 million in their portfolio, in their treasury at Wonderland? How? Because the model works. The model does work. But people complain because the token went down. So, and this guy, he likes to play with people's minds and people's emotions as well. So he likes drama, he likes emotions, and he likes receiving death threats on his Twitter account and so on. But good for him, okay? Because he's going to get a lot more, all right? Because this is even more risky than it was before. And now there's zero earnings for the token holders. Zero. There's no earning system in place at the moment. We're not earning any APYs. So what's going to happen? They have this very long article right here. Okay, blah, 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 blah. And okay. All right, where they talk about the Olympus DAO, the buyback price for Olympus DAO is $1. Yeah, we know. It's been like that since March 2021. That hasn't changed. And it's still successful at Olympus DAO. Olympus DAO is on multi-chains now, multiple chains. It's all over the place, okay? And they keep expanding their protocol. They've got Olympus Pro, which is very successful, and so on. The guys that are working there are very smart. Same with Wonderland. Wonderland is very successful, and they're going to have a launch pad for projects in the gaming industry, which Jade is trying to imitate. But they didn't cut down their APY to 0%. If I wanted to invest in a project that was just a launch pad, well, announce it as a launch pad only. Don't announce it as an Olympus Pro fork. Okay, and then after a month, change it for something else. Who knows? Tomorrow he might change it and say, okay, we're going to be buying a farm, and we're going to have cows, and we're going to be selling milk without asking for a vote. Because he didn't ask for a vote for this thing. This is not a DAO. If the token holders voted for this, I'd shut my mouth. The token holders did not vote for it. Diddly squat. I'm not happy. I'm not happy because right now there's only $17 backing my token. Before there were 55. These two treasuries were together. Where's the contract for this freaking treasury? It's nowhere. There's only one treasury contract. There's only one treasury contract right here, not two. Where's the other one? What are you doing with my money? The money that's in the treasury is the token holders' money. I want to see it. This is blockchain. This is DeFi. This is transparency. And you're not transparent. You're not voting. You're making decisions without asking for a vote. You're taking money out of our treasury without asking for a vote. We're just supposed to just bend over and take it. Okay? This is not the way to run a DAO. If you don't want a decentralized organization, okay, say it. Okay, first of all, if you look down, where's the code? The code's not public. The code is not public. The code should be public if it's a DAO. It's not. Okay, so stop advertising that it's a DAO when it's not. And you better find some projects that are going to make money for this treasury, and you better figure out a system that's going to give us money, because right now it doesn't look like it's doing anything. It's not. Where's the list of projects? Oh yeah, there's a vote button here. Yeah, right. Vote on what? Reduce the APY to sustainable levels. Yeah, okay. 0%. Allocate 15% treasury to hypergrowth and funding bigger team. See, these are old. These are old, okay? The project did not put to a vote the 0%. And the project did not put to a vote the splitting of the treasury. See, it's right there. It's right there that it's not there. This is proof. So, Einstein, wake the hell up. And you better find some proposals. Otherwise, I'm going to make a lot of nasty videos about this project. Because you're failing right now. You're failing. I don't care how smart you think you are. You did not follow the DAO process. If you submitted a proposal here and the token holders voted in favor, I'd be fine. Even if I don't like the decision, I would be fine because it was accepted by the token holder. You bypassed the voting system, and you're going to have to live with the consequences, whatever they are. I really hope that your Launchpad project is going to be successful. I really hope so. Because if this fails, you're going to have a hard time finding anybody to trust you for any future project later on. Because Smartcoin was not that great. Maybe it's too clever for me, okay? But so far it doesn't look good to me. And right now, you had a good thing going with Jade by using the Olympus DAO model, but you scrapped it. You scrapped that model because people were complaining that the token went down, and yeah, well, people always complain, okay? Live with it. Grow up, okay? You cannot make everybody happy, but follow the process. You're supposed to put these things to a vote. You did not. And now you're changing completely every single aspect of the protocol. And you're putting our money, I don't even know where. Where's the contract code for that second treasury you created? It's not there. Anyway, so obviously this is my opinion. You can have a different opinion, obviously. Okay, you might think that this is the best thing for the project. I don't think so. I think they should have followed the Wonderland route. Wonderland is going to evolve into a Launchpad. It's going to change and everything. They will put it to a vote. And they managed to build a super huge treasury. It's probably the biggest treasury in DeFi anywhere. Okay. Jade wanted to do the same thing, I know that. But he got stuck with the FUD and all the crap. And trying to build drama and all that stuff, I don't think it's a very good marketing technique. Okay? First of all, if you claim to be a DAO, be open. If you're not a DAO, then say so. It's not a DAO, it's my protocol, and I do what the hell I want. If you do it like that, that's fine, as long as we know. But right now, you're sitting between two chairs. Either you're a DAO or you're not. You can't be both at the same time. This is not Schrödinger's cat. Is the DAO dead or not dead? You gotta make a decision. If you're gonna go this way, then it's not a DAO. And because personally, I feel that, you took advantage of the token holders. That's my feeling right now. All right, that's it for this video. If you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe, ring the bell, and download the free book. All you have to do is enter your name, your email, and hit the submit button. Get a big fat button that says download the free book. If you miss that button, we're sending you an email that says download the free book also. And if you don't want the free book, you go to Amazon, you pay $5.99 to Jeff Bezos, and Jeff will send me a whole $1. See you.